हाय गाइस, इट्स श्रिया हियर एंड वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल ब्यूटी एंड द कोड। आज के वीडियो में मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूंगी पैरिस कॉर्नर का कहीला प्लैटिनम परफ्यूम का रिव्यू। नाउ दिस इज हाउ gorgeous the perfume looks like, and I am super excited because you guys were asking me to recommend you a nice kind of like a summer fragrance. I think I got you covered. So let's begin with the review. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. So I bought this perfume from Paris Corner India website. Paris Corner India has recently launched their official Indian website here, and I am super excited for it because this way we can get all the latest launches from Paris Corner and at a good price. Like I've done the price comparison of Paris Corner India with Perfume Addiction, Perfume Palace, Frag Stocks, and all of those websites, and I found relatively the prices to be better. Plus, it's a better deal again because I also have an additional 5% discount for you guys, which is called as Beauty and the Code 5. The only thing is minimum order of 1500 needs to be there, and you can apply this code and get some better deal. Now this code is exclusively for you guys. It's not affiliated. I'm not getting anything out of it. So feel free to use it or not use it. Now coming to the packaging of this one, comes in this very gorgeous kind of like a white and silver box. A very sturdy cardboard box which can be used as a storage if you want to. The details are written right here, and behind you have the list of ingredients and all of those and manufacturing details and everything. And on opening the box, this is how gorgeous the bottle is sitting inside. The bottle is quite well fitted and doesn't fall off, so I really like the overall packaging. And it's quite safe, like even during traveling, if you want to go with this fragrance, you can keep it in the box and go. Now this is how gorgeous this fragrance looks like. Earlier I was actually wondering, why do we have the horse head as a cap on this perfume. Then I just kind of had this mental picture of white horses running through the seashore, that filmy Bollywood scene, water splashing, mud splashing, and it's like a kind of like a Bollywood scene in itself. Just that thought, and this marine color water and this whole scene, then I was like, yeah, it makes sense. It makes perfect sense to make the bottle like this. So now I'm actually on board with the packaging. I really love and I appreciate this bottle and the thinking process behind it now. So this is how the bottle looks like. It has a nice detailing here where Kahila Platinum is mentioned. It has a silver cap which is quite kind of like metal and strong and sturdy, and it can actually be used as a decorative item as well. So I really like this one actually. And this is how the bottle is. And to be frank, when I'm traveling with this bottle, I just remove the cap. I leave it at home. I just take the bottle with me. So that way I get it to work. So the liquid, the perfume is kind of like a slight hint of blue, kind of like a nice marine blue touch it has. I've also tested it on white clothes. It doesn't stain. Now let's see the atomizer. The atomizer diffuses the product nice. Not a very sharp atomizer, I'll say. So go one spray extra than usual because I think the quantity that you're getting in one spray is slightly less. Now this one has kind of little bit of sweetness, little bit of florals, little bit woodiness. It has a nice coconut water base to it, like a milky coconut water base to it. It definitely has kind of like a tropical fruity feel also in the background, along with some hints of vanilla sweetness popping in. So I think this is a very beautiful kind of like a marine, fruity, coconutty, tropical based fragrance. Now, despite this being like a very summery fragrance, I also get the maturity and little bit of warmth of woodiness and amber in this, which kind of gets me again to that mental picture of horses running in bright sunshine on the seashore. So that warmth of sun is also kind of captured in this fragrance. There is another mental picture about this fragrance that I have, which keeps lingering in my head basically, that I'm sitting on the beachside on a rock, and the sea water is just splashing on the rocks and on me. So I get that taste of saltiness. I get that salty breeze. I get that earthiness from the stones. I get a little bit of that marine, mossy feel. And then I'm like casually sipping my coconut water, fresh coconut water. And I'm like kind of wearing those garlands, floral garlands, wearing a tiara, floral. Like, a very typical beachy presence. That's what it makes me feel. Now, the best part of this fragrance is it is super balanced. You have marine elements, you have woody elements, fruity elements, coconut. Everything is kind of mixed in a coconut cocktail. Nothing is screechy in this. Very, very, very softly blended. Now, obviously, I feel this to be a very beautiful summer fragrance, something that I will prefer wearing every single day on casual events, office, kind of like a formal fragrance as well. I did wear this when I went to meet my friend, and for a change, she was like, "You are smelling so fresh, unlike like you always like gourmandy and gothic fragrance, but you're smelling very light and breezy." And we were sitting in a coffee shop outside, and it was windy. In the evenings, Hyderabad usually is windy, so it was windy, and my perfume was kind of like flowing in the air, and she could get like wisp of my perfume every now and then, and she was like, "I'm loving this coffee date that we are having, because that fragrance is very calming." So that's what she called me. She called me calming when I wore this fragrance. So I like that it gives a very fresh, very calm, a very zen mode kind of a fragrance out there. So I usually, you guys know, I'm not a very freshy kind of a fragrance lover, but I'm actually exploring, and I'm like loving the new me. Basically, I'm evolving with my choices, and I think this kind of makes it to the list of freshies that I love, because I find this to be unique. Now, bear this in mind, this has coconut in it, but it does not smell like coconut oil at all. It does not have that Indian coconut oil ka feel in it. It has a nice, fresh, meetha coconut water, proper coconut water. Now, around one spray gives me 1 hour. So kind of like you can imagine the longevity based on the number of sprays that I go for. I get number of hours. I usually go for at least 6 sprays in any perfume, so that I get 5-6 hours and I don't have to like keep spraying it, right? So that way performs well. This is a soft projective fragrance. Like when I wear it, creates a very strong bubble around me, but it's not that I'm going to fill a room or it's going to project to feet and feet. Of course, I give you the example that when it was windy, my fragrance was traveling in the air. That is another story. But it's like if somebody is walking इतने दूर से, कोई अगर मेरे से 3-4 फीट दूर है, तो वहाँ तक परफ्यूम प्रोजेक्ट नहीं करेगा. 1 या 2 फीट तक ये प्रोजेक्टिव है. Now, this is not something that fills in the room immediately. It's kind of like a soft trail fragrance. Wherever I will pass, I will leave a soft trail. Nothing headache inducing, nothing that will like disturb anybody. A very non-offensive fragrance. I find this to be unisex. It's not just meant for women. I think men can easily carry this off. So this is kind of like a good unisex fragrance for me as well. I find this to be a perfect summer fragrance. My overall rating for this one goes to 9.5 out of 10. The pricing for this one for 85 ml, the pricing is 3,500. It is already on discount on Paris Corner India, so you'll get it at around 2,100 or 2,200, and then you can add additional discount to get it at a better deal. So yeah, that is my overall take for Kahila Platinum from Paris Corner, and I'm quite happy with this one. I'm quite satisfied, and this is kind of like one of the best summer fragrances that I have discovered. And if you are looking for something like this, go get yourself. And I think this is kind of like a people pleaser also. So that brings us to the end of the review. I hope that you enjoyed watching this one, and I think it will come as a surprise element also for you that, oh, Shreya is doing fresh fragrances now. That is new. So I hope that it actually comes as a surprise to you and you like this review. And if you do, please hit the like button, do subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna see you very soon in my next video. Bye.